Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. As you guys are tuning in, hit that thumbs up. And if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. Guys, red day recap today. We're down 966 and 20 cents. The bulk of our loss is coming on stock T PST. We just were not able to connect on this one. Now, we did get a sweet move, I will say, but the price action was kind of funky, man. Getting in at areas where we were seeing big buyers and the stock pushing up only a few cents to then flush, a lot more. Let's say 3 cent breakout, 6 to 8 cent flush. Getting caught in a lot of those areas, and even for the opening surge move over 350, not being able to capitalize it properly. Now I did check the recording. Seems like I had an OBS issue because it started off all right here, and unfortunately, it seems like I might have pressed some button or something. It switched to the wrong screen, so I don't have the level two. The recording is here. It was recording the wrong screen, so a little sloppy there. We got to do a little bit better job than that next time. Would have been great for me to review this with the tape, but we can still look at the candlesticks. And I think the approach that I had was a little hyper, right? Being in and out quickly. We definitely could have done a better job in a lot of the areas, holding a little longer and being in a little lower, especially pullbacks like this one, where we end up getting the bottoming wick and then the 1 minute candle to make the new high. So from 45, we had a high of 59, from 59 going all the way to 76. I think in areas like this, I got to do a better job, capturing the opportunities. So good move there. I did get caught in this drop buying, so we had to push to 88 and we pulled back to 72. Now, 70 was the low of the last candle, and I was thinking maybe we hold a little higher for a quick 3 bar play, and then eventually maybe get the new high of day. But instead, we pulled back to VWAP. So I'm long right here, and I got in 4,070 from that drop off at 88, and we ended up pulling back to 64. So I'm in about 72. Big loss there for me. Ended up, I think I sold half just right before the drop or as it was happening. Or, if not, we would have took a bigger loss there for sure. And that definitely chopped me out in getting this green candle going back up. So this was essentially a missed opportunity for me, and very costly. Where we should be getting some good gains, we are getting decent sized losses. So 55, 55. We ended up having a false breakout here. And I'm right here. I'm looking for the move over 90 for the push over 4, being aggressive. In 3,000 shares, about 88. It comes down, took a small loss, and it flushed all the way here to 55. So, you know, I had the instinct to buy 55, but I had 3,000 shares in my active trader, and I wasn't willing to take the trade of 3,000 shares. I think I would have gotten to fill 59, and from there we curled all the way back up to about 70. I think about 73 before it really pulled back again, and then we based it out a little here at 68, and then made the new high. Decent stock overall. We should have been green here, but just a few small things getting caught on the other side here of the fine line. But other than that, nothing to go crazy about. We'll take the lesson, hold what we have, and come back even better for tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to the opportunities that we will get. On the pull away here, the break of 4, I feel like it just didn't have enough range. It was all right, but we needed a little bit more range. Can we go from 4 to 410, 415? Maybe if we get a dip, we hold up at the whole dollar and then try again. This one was more so 93 to 96. Then it slows down a bit, 96 to 99. It slows down a bit, 99 to maybe 403. Then it pulls back to 96, 97. Maybe not even that much. Maybe pulled back like 98, then pushed up to like 8, 408, 411. The range was limited, I believe, in this move up, and so I wasn't able to capitalize. The pullback here at 03, I'm in at 4 or 5, ended up selling too soon, and then we had a false breakout at the highs of 32. Big bids coming in at 420 of about 25,000 shares, and even a little higher than that. And we weren't able to get the new high of day and pull away to 450. So disappointing there. and from that we sold off, coming back down. So right now, and that's where I left out. Right now, we are still sideways. If you zoom out and look at this thing, it's still one huge bull flag. So there's a chance that power hour, for those of you who are being patient, this thing tries again. So we'll see. But yeah, that was the day. Keeping it tight, bigger red day, but still not that crazy in comparison to what we've been doing here, especially this week. So looking forward to tomorrow, looking forward to being sharp again, and looking forward to winning. So with that being said, it's been Relentless Trader. If you guys have not checked out the links down below, be sure to do so, right? Right now, in honor of this trip, in honor of everything that's going on with the guys meeting up, we are running our biggest coupon ever. We are running one of our biggest coupons ever, code DREAM, because not only do we want to live the dream, but we're also dreaming of that dream. I know that sounds a little crazy, but we never want to forget our dreams, right? We never want to, stop chasing our dreams. All of us, everybody has goals. We all have different things we want to accomplish, and so for us being here, this is part of the process of us dreaming, getting to, different levels and upgrading and becoming better individuals, but also not looking to stop here. We're going to keep dreaming. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep looking forward to the opportunities, right? Not just in the market, but, in life, right? Looking forward to being better individuals, looking forward to growing, looking forward to being good people and good businessmen, in all right, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So we're gonna keep dreaming, and for those of you who are a part of our community, you know, we know that you guys have dreams too, and it's why we're making the course even cheaper, 50% off. Check it out. You'll get access to our A to Z course, right? This is where we teach the actual strategy itself. If we come on down right here, here's the curriculum. You can expand it, from very beginning, right? So you can be someone who's new. Maybe you're someone who knows a little bit, right? But yeah, there's still going to be things in here that you may not know. And of course, it goes over all of our patterns, strategies, and edges that we use in the market to give ourselves an advantage. All right, so check it out. We got 32 plus chapters, and we also upload all of our live trading. Unfortunately, today's trading for myself is not going to be uploaded because the file, as we saw earlier, was a little corrupted. But other than that, yeah, stay tuned. Check it out. Check out the chat room as well. Right? If you're someone who maybe you already know how to trade, but you want to be a part of the community, check out the chat room. Right? You can join the chat for 14.99 a month for unlimited access. So other than that, stay safe, stay green, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We have some cool content coming from this Vegas trip, so don't miss out. We got Tim in the background, one of the other MMU mentors. Guys, we're killing it, man. We're killing it, and we're looking forward to the opportunities. We're gonna enjoy ourselves here on this trip too, man. Vegas has been fun so far, and it's gonna be even better here as Traders for a Cause. The seminar/conference is coming up. Got any last words?
And between the three of us, someone's going to be green for the most part. So you're always going to be able to see something good. So join the team.
Yeah, and even then too, like the red day recaps and things like that are good because you can see what to avoid, where to improve. Some people say they learn more from some of their red trades, so you'll get all the different angles and perspectives of this scalping strategy, this hyper scalping strategy. So with that being said, take care, stay safe, stay green, pick a card, any card. If you didn't know this about me, I did go to magic school. On that high note, we're signing out.